Good evening. This is Max Wilkerson, and I will be presenting my Lesson 3 Create PT task on code.org. My app serves as a game, which is very similar to the game Crossy that is commonly found on most handheld devices. To start out on the main screen, there is a picture as well as a button which can generate a library. Clicking this button will come up with 3 random different characters from Crossy Road. You can click this as many times as you want. You may get some of the reoccurring names, but that's the point of the library. It generates 3 different common Crossy Road characters from the game. After you're done playing around with that, you can move on to the directions, and you can click the Enter the Danger Zone button to actually enter into the game. Once you're into the game, you can see there's 3 different characters moving back and forth with the truck displaying the level on the top. So if you do not have a keyboard that has arrows on it, you can simply click the screen one time and it'll come up with 3 different arrows. With this, you can move side to side as well as up. However, if you are fortunate enough and you have arrows on your keyboard, like most do, you can move any direction you want. The objective of this game is to obviously, like the Crossy Road game is, not get hit by the objects. So as you can see, it starts out mostly slow, but as you eventually get to the higher and higher rounds, you can see that they start to pick up and get faster and faster. I'll die really quick to show you the different things that are displayed in the end screen. So once you get to this screen, you can see what level you got to as well as your points. The reason why there's so many different numbers on that thing is, as you can see, you can try again and get a better score. So I will click try again, loser, and I will get a higher score than I last did. You can also click the shift key to get a speed boost on your forward movements. So I will achieve a higher score and I will show you what the second screen says. So after you lose your last life on your second game, you can see that it displays the message high score as well as your new level as well as how many points you got. It is also displayed here, and also a new picture is shown, which is a trophy with the number 1 on it. You can keep trying again to keep improving your score, but as time goes on, the game gets harder and harder. This is my game. My name is Maxwell Wilkerson, and I hope you enjoyed my app. Thank you, and goodbye.